Today, I'll show you how to make Thor out of clay with simple and easy steps. If you're also a fan of superhero characters, let's get started right away. First, we will prepare 5 main clay colors: light skin tone, brown, red, yellow, and blue. First, we will use light skin-colored clay to sculpt Thor's head and create his facial features. Roll the clay into a balanced oval shape, then gently shape the chin and facial contours to make the face look natural and well-proportioned. Next, we will make the character's eyes using black clay. After that, we will start creating Thor's signature beard and hairstyle. First, make several long, thin strands of yellow clay. In the same way, we will also create additional beard strands to attach to the face later. Next, create a hair support base at the back of the head. This will help secure the hair strands firmly and give the hairstyle a fuller appearance. Once the support base is finished, start attaching each strand one by one. Use a sculpting tool to gently refine each strand, adding softness and making the hair look more natural. Then we will create Thor's beard. After finishing it, we will use a tool to add detailed texture to the beard. Next, we will make Thor's signature helmet. First, use clay to shape the main helmet piece into a half-oval form. Next come the winged parts of the helmet. We will sculpt 4 small feathers, giving them a gentle curve so the helmet looks more elegant and powerful. Once all the pieces are finished, assemble them together to complete the helmet. And we will create the hat brim using a long strip of clay. Once all the pieces are finished, assemble them together to complete the helmet. Now it's time to complete Thor's face. First, place the helmet on the character's head. Then attach the hair, add the beard, and finally complete the eyes to give Thor a strong and heroic expression. Next, we will create the belt for Thor's outfit. Use yellow clay to roll a thin, long strip and wrap it around the waist. Then make the belt buckle and attach it in the center to add more detail to the costume. Now we will sculpt Thor's arms using light skin-colored clay. Next, make the red shoulder armor and the black wristbands. Once each part is finished, assemble everything securely together. Next, we will make Thor's boots using brown clay. Shape them carefully so they are balanced with the body and make the model look more harmonious. Don't forget Thor's iconic red cape. Roll out the red clay into a thin sheet and create a gentle curve as if the cape is flowing in the wind. Next, we will sculpt Mjolnir, Thor's thunder hammer. First, create the hammerhead using clay. Then cut a piece of aluminum foil and wrap it around the hammerhead to make it sturdier and easier to shape. Next, use a strong wire to secure the hammer handle. Finally, assemble all the parts together to complete Thor's iconic weapon. Now we will complete Thor's body. Use blue clay to sculpt the main torso. Then use a sculpting tool to carve grooves on the chest, creating muscular details and a powerful appearance. Continue by sculpting the armor details and attaching them to the chest for a more realistic look. Finally, attach all the parts together, including the head, arms, legs, cape, and hammer. I hope you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to create your own amazing clay model. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment and follow for more fun clay sculpting tutorials.